Collectability. The 1959 23-window Type 2 Samba Volkswagen bus is an incredibly collectible vehicle, and this example is no exception. With its limited production numbers, distinct design, and historical significance, it commands high prices in the vintage car market. Recent sale prices reflect the high demand for these iconic buses. In 2017, a 1960 23-window VW bus, equally attractive, achieved an astounding price of $207,200 at an RM Sotheby's auction in New York. That same year, a 1965 example fetched over $300,000 at Barrett-Jackson. These remarkable sale prices underscore the exceptional value and allure that the 23-window Samba holds in the eyes of collectors and enthusiasts alike. Restoration journey. The restoration of this remarkable Samba Microbus is a testament to the dedication and attention to detail put into bringing it back to its former glory. It underwent a comprehensive refurbishment that revitalized both its mechanical components and its aesthetics. The vehicle underwent disassembly, allowing for meticulous metalwork and body repairs. The restoration extended to entire drivetrain and interior as well. Notable features of this restored Samba Microbus include a tan fabric sunroof, chrome hubcaps adorning white finished steel wheels that harken back to its vintage charm. From basket case to showpiece, this meticulous restoration of this 1959 23-window Type 2 Samba Volkswagen bus with unique features and impeccable craftsmanship is a testament to the enduring legacy of Volkswagen's iconic Type 2 buses. Running gear. Equipped with reliable running gear, the 1959 Samba bus featured an air-cooled, rear-mounted 1.2-liter flat-4 engine and a 4-speed manual transaxle that provided surprisingly sufficient power for its size. Its robust suspension and braking system made it suitable for both city driving and off-road adventures, showcasing its versatility and durability. Practicality of driving a Samba today. While driving a Samba bus today may require some adjustments, it offers a unique and rewarding experience. The lack of power steering and modern amenities like air conditioning may pose challenges, but the simplicity of the mechanics allow for smoother maneuverability, providing a level of control and responsiveness not commonly found in a 63-year-old classic. This characteristic, along with the nostalgic driving feel, adds to the charm of piloting a Samba bus and contributes to the overall enjoyable driving experience that enthusiasts appreciate even on the road today.